hold the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. This thing will be easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
With the boosters!
Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo. Hurry! Left pilot, brakes.
Oh, snap.
My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they did, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineer, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo, keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Got him.
It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. But die. Let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Rank pirate.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, all right. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, that? Okay, that's something. Time for you.